Understanding foliar feed in gardening. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting gardening phrase, foliar feed. Whether you're a budding gardener or just curious about this term, you're in the right place. We'll explore what it means, how it's used, and why it's important in gardening. So, let's grow our knowledge together. Foliar feeding is a method of fertilizing plants by applying liquid fertilizer directly to their leaves. Unlike traditional fertilizing methods where you apply fertilizer to the soil, foliar feeding involves spraying the leaves with a nutrient solution. This technique is based on the idea that plants can absorb nutrients through their leaves, providing a direct nutritional boost. Foliar feeding is particularly useful when plants need a quick nutrient boost or when soil conditions are not ideal for nutrient absorption. It's often used as a supplemental feeding method, especially when plants show signs of nutrient deficiencies. Key benefits include faster nutrient absorption, targeted treatment of nutrient deficiencies, useful in poor soil conditions. Foliar feeding is relatively simple but requires some care. Here's how to do it effectively. 1. Choose the right fertilizer. Use a water-soluble fertilizer, preferably one designed for foliar application. 2. Dilute properly. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to dilute the fertilizer. 3. Timing is crucial. The best time for foliar feeding is early morning or late afternoon to avoid leaf burn. 4. Spray evenly. Use a spray bottle or garden sprayer to apply the solution evenly over the leaves. While foliar feeding is beneficial, it's not a complete substitute for soil fertilization. Remember, it's a supplemental method. Overuse can damage plant leaves. Not all nutrients are effectively absorbed through leaves. I hope this video clarifies what foliar feed means and how it can be a valuable tool in your gardening journey. Remember, a little extra care can go a long way in keeping your plants healthy and thriving. Happy gardening, and see you in our next video.